ako ay made na may honey lemon tea. Warm, ayan. At tayo yung mag-iinom na naman ng hot lemon tea with honey. Oh, ayan. Kahit mainit ang panahon, iinom pa rin ako ng aking kinasanayan at paboritong honey lemon tea with honey. I wanna run to you. I wanna run to you. Tell me, will you stay or will you run away? Haluin. Haluin ang lemon honey. See? Ayan. Pero ako ayoko kasi naman masyadong matapang yung tsaa, kaya pabawasan ko na. Ayan. Haluin para lumasa ng todo yung lemon at saka yung honey. At ready to drink na. I wanna drink my tea. Ooh, ooh. I wanna drink my tea. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ang sarap ng lemon tea with honey talaga. I wanna drink my tea. Ooh, ooh. I wanna drink my tea. Ang sarap ng lemon tea.